So summertime is coming up, as you all know, and today's juice recipe is going to focus on getting that glowing, beautiful skin. This 4-ingredient juice recipe is pretty much a skincare in a glass, okay you guys? All of these ingredients are going to pack a punch in terms of your skin's health. So we're talking anti-inflammatory, reducing acne scars and hyperpigmentation, super rich in vitamin C, supports collagen production. There's just so many benefits to drinking this juice. We have pomelo, which I know looks a little scary, a little crazy. If you cannot find pomelo, just get some grapefruit, okay? This is like a big nasty bit of grapefruit. I love grapefruit. Grapefruit is actually what got me into juicing, grapefruit juice. But this right here, it's like hard, it's hard and bitter. It's like the cousin that can fight to grapefruit. Yeah, hard. It's hard. It's strong. Like, it's really strong. Like, I don't even know how to explain it. Like, it's just, yeah, it's kind of dry. It's not juicy like a grapefruit, it's dry. So we're definitely gonna need this pineapple to help sweeten things up and to juice it up a bit. All right, you guys. So we have 1 pomelo, a small piece of ginger, a little less than half of a pineapple, and then we have 1/2 of this passion fruit here. Let's get to juicing. I did like a video on this and so many people were like, ew, like passion fruit is delicious, you guys. We're just used to it being in like juices and stuff like that, but this is what it actually looks like, and it does look crazy. But this is passion fruit. Put our passion fruit in first. All right, no struggles with that. Save that because I'm gonna eat that. Okay, our ginger, and we'll just go ahead and put this big old pomelo in here. Probably should cut this just a little bit, but let's go ahead and put our pineapple in. And when you're juicing pineapple, you do not have to remove the core. The core has benefits too. You ain't eating it, just throw it in there. See, it's like cutting a turkey sandwich. Maybe not turkey, but it's like, yeah, it's hard. All right, I know all this ain't gonna fit in here, so. And we're using our beautiful Nama J2 juicer, of course. You can use my code CAIRA10 for $55 off. Check the link in the description. All that dry ass pomelo in here. I love it. This made a nice big batch of juice, 35 ounces even. Now, even though that pomelo wasn't really shaken, I think the pineapple probably carried this juice. So there you have it, 35 ounces, skincare in a glass, okay? Black dots. Oh, is it maybe the passion fruit? I don't know. Let's give it a little taste. Something black floating around up in there. What is that? What the hell is that? I gotta investigate. I gotta find out. I don't really know where that came from. Sorry, it's food. Cheers. All right, so if you like grapefruit, you're gonna love this. If you hate grapefruit, You're gonna hate it. It tastes like a grapefruit drink, so I love it. I think it's delicious, actually. I think it will be amazing cold, really good cold. But yeah, if you don't like grapefruit, this is not the drink for you. But if you're trying to clear your skin, this is the drink for you. So if you're at the stage of juicing or you want to start juicing, please understand that not everything that you juice you're gonna like, unless that's what your goal is. You just want to make some nice delicious drinks. But juicing is about the health, and if you have a goal in mind, keep your goal in mind, plug your nose and get to chugging. Okay, I don't care what you do, just do it. Nike. That is so good, and it's like a little heat from the ginger. I like it. Okay, so that concludes another recipe in our clear skin series. Okay, summer's coming up, whether you like it or not. Punxsutawney was not right. Where was he? I don't know what be going on with that groundhog. Why do they keep bothering that groundhog anyway? Leave him alone. He does not know what the hell is even going on. Leave Punxsutawney alone. Okay, but summer is coming. Get you some of this. Make sure that you subscribe, and I'll see you for the next juice recipe.